Namaste dear students, I am Vijay Shinde sir and we are discussing chapter number 1 Units and Measurements of 11th Standard Physics. In that, in previous lectures, we have discussed dimensions and two uses of dimensions. First use to check the correctness of the physical equation, and second use is to establish the relation between related physical quantities. Now today we see lecture number 8, and in this lecture number 8 we discuss the third use of the dimensions. तर प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याने हा जो लेक्चर आहे तो एंडपर्यंत बघा. ज्यांनी सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा आणि आपल्या मित्रांना सांगा, आणि हे जे व्हिडिओ आहेत, आपले जे लेक्चर्स आहेत ते शेअर करा, म्हणजे त्यांचा आणि तुमचा पण चांगला अभ्यास होईल. नंतर लेक्चरच्या नोट्स घेत चला. समोर नोटबुक ठेवायचं, पेनने नोटबुक पेन आणि जे बोर्डवर जे नोट्स असतील ते आपण लिहत चला. जे होमवर्क मी दिलेलं असतं ते पण लिहत चला. तर आजचं यूज 3 बघू आपण. नो इन यूज 3 इज टू फाइंड द कन्वर्शन फॅक्टर बिटवीन द युनिट्स ऑफ द सेम फिजिकल क्वांटिटी इन डिफरंट सिस्टीम्स ऑफ द युनिट्स. म्हणजे SI आहे आणि CGS आहे आणि फोर्स हे आपण फिजिकल क्वांटिटी घेतली. मग फोर्सचे 2 युनिट आहेत, न्यूटन SI सिस्टीममध्ये आणि डाईन हे CGS सिस्टीममध्ये. मग न्यूटन इक्वल टू डाईन नाही आहे, न्यूटन आणि डाईनमध्ये काहीतरी कन्वर्शन फॅक्टर आहे आणि तो फॅक्टर आपल्याला इथे फाइंड करायचा आहे डायमेन्शनचा यूज करून. सो युजिंग डायमेन्शन्स वी फाइंड द कन्वर्शन फॅक्टर बिटवीन द युनिट्स ऑफ द सेम फिजिकल क्वांटिटी इन डिफरंट systems of units. So let us find conversion factor. Let us find conversion factor between SI and CGS units of the work. We take the example of the work. So work चा आपण हे फाइंड करू कन्वर्शन फॅक्टर. SI unit of the work is joule. CGS unit of the work is erg. Suppose that 1 joule equal to x erg. We don't know what is value of x, and this x is called conversion factor. We find this conversion factor. So we solve this. Find value of x means find conversion factor. So we need dimension of work. Dimension of work is L2 M1 T minus 2. This is dimension of work we have determined. Now right here 1 multiplied by, this is joule SI system, this is our CGS system. Dimension of joule, dimension of work will be same, and it is L2 M1 and T minus 2. Now since to the left side it is a SI system, we denote this SI system by 1 suffix. If it is L1 M1 T1, this is SI system, equal to x multiplied by, this erg is a CGS system, so we write here L2, then M2 and T2. Dimension will be same, dimension of erg, joule and work will be same. It will be L2 M1 T minus 2, L2 M1 T minus 2, but this 1 suffix is for SI and 2 suffix is for CGS. Therefore this equation will be x is equal to L12 M1 to M11 T1 minus 2, and it will be divided by L2 to M21 T2 minus 2. So we can write this equation like this. So so this is x will be equal to L1 upon L2 square. Then this is M1 upon M2 and square multiplied by T1 upon T2 minus 2. Now what is L1? L1, it is SI unit of length. L1 is SI unit of length. And what is SI unit of length? It is meter. So this is meter. L2 is length, and it is a CGS unit of length. And what is CGS unit? It is centimeter square multiplied by M1. It is SI unit of mass, kilogram. Then it is divided by CGS unit is gram and bracket square multiplied by second and divided by second raised to minus 2. Means actually this L is the unit of length, meter, which is meter. M is unit of mass, it is kilogram. T is unit of time, it is second. So we write this. Now in denominator there is a CGS unit, and so we write centimeter, gram and second. At numerator it is a SI unit, and so we write here meter, kilogram and second. Now we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter equal to 10 raised to 2 centimeters. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram equal to 10 raised to 3 gram. Now use this relations here. So x is equal to, put value of 1 meter equal to 10 raised to 2 centimeter and divided by centimeter and bracket square. Kg upon gram. Kg means 10 raised to 3 gram divided by gram, and it is raised to 1. It is not raised to 2. It is raised to 1, and so it is 1 multiplied by s upon s. It will get cancelled, and so it is 1 raised to minus 2. Now here this centimeter will get cancelled, then gram will get cancelled, and therefore we can write x is equal to 10 raised to 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 3. This 10 raised to 2 and bracket square will be 10 raised to 4, and so 10 raised to 4 multiplied by 3. Therefore x is equal to 10 raised to 7, and this x equal to 10 raised to 7 is conversion factor between joule and earth. Now put this value of x in equation 1. Now let us put this value of x in equation 1. So 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 earth. So this is final answer. This is called conversion factor, and this is relation between joule and earth. तर असं या पद्धतीने आपल्याला याचा यूज करून, म्हणजे डायमेन्शनचा यूज करून SI आणि CGS युनिट मधला कन्वर्शन फॅक्टर हा फाइंड करता येतो. Now let us find conversion factor between SI and CGS unit of work. The force. The force जे SI आणि CGS युनिट आहे त्याचा आपण कन्व्हर्शन फॅक्टर फाइंड करू. त्याच्या आधी हा जो प्रॉब्लेम पूर्ण एक्झाम्पल बोर्डवर आहे त्याला पॉज करून पूर्ण त्याचे एक्झाम्पल आहे ते आपल्या नोटबुकवर लिहून टाका. तर हे पॉज करून तुम्ही लिहू शकता. आता आपण सेकंड एक्झाम्पल बघूया. नाउ लेट अस सी सेकंड एक्झाम्पल दॅट इज ऑफ द फोर्स. फोर्सचं SI युनिट काय असतं? न्यूटन. CGS युनिट काय असतं? अर्थ. मग या न्यूटन आणि अर्थ मधला रिलेशन आपण फाइंड करू. त्याच्यातला कन्व्हर्शन फॅक्टर फाइंड करू. आपल्याला माहिती आहे तो फॅक्टर किती आहे? 10⁵ म्हणजे 10⁵ त्याचं आन्सर यायला पाहिजे. तर बघूया आपण की फोर्स सपोज 1 न्यूटन इक्वल टू x डाई. 1 न्यूटन इक्वल टू x डाई. Dimension of Newton means dimension of force. It is L1 m1 t minus 2. So we write dimension of Newton same as dimension of force. It is L1 m1 and t minus 2. Write here 1 1 1. 1 suffix. It is for SI system. 1 SI साठी असेल. Then this is equal to x multiplied by L1 m1 and t minus 2 and 2 suffix for CGS system. Therefore x is equal to L11 m11 t1 minus 2 divided by L21 m21 and t2 minus 1. So we can write x like this. Therefore x is equal to, now separate this length, L1 upon L2 power is 1. Then m1 upon m2 power is 1, and then t1 upon t2 minus 1 power minus this is minus 2 power. Now what is this L1? L1 means it is a meter. L1 is meter. And what is L2? L2 is centimeter. So we write x is equal to m upon centimeter raised to 1. Then m1 and m2. m1 is kilogram and m2 is gram. Multiplied by t1 is second and t2 is also second raised to minus 2. So put 1 meter equal to 10⁵2 centimeter, 1 kg equal to 10⁵3 gram. Therefore we get x is equal to 10⁵2 centimeter divided by centimeter raised to 1. Then 10⁵3 gram divided by gram raised to 1 and 1 raised to minus 2. Now 1 raised to minus 2 by this second and second will get cancelled. This 10⁵2, this centimeter cancel, gram cancel. 10⁵2 and 10⁵3 will be 10⁵5 and therefore x is equal to 10⁵5. This is a conversion factor between Newton and Dye, and this is final answer. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you very much.